Kahootz, how to play. The object of this game is for two people to trick their friends into thinking that they can telepathically communicate with each other, while the friends try to figure out how. Before playing, you and your partner will need to agree on a set of triggers. The triggers can be anything, but are typically whenever a player coughs, sneezes, or laughs. You can come up with more triggers if you like. Have your partner leave the room so they cannot hear. Have the group pick an object and then pretend to get into a mental state of Kahootz with your partner. Have the group bring your partner back. Then you both focus and you say to them, "Are we in Kahootz?" Use this time to really sell the concept by being really serious. If your partner says no, then you focus some more and ask again. Once you are in Kahootz, you start asking your partner about random objects in the room. Once your trigger happens, you give one more fake guess, then you ask them about the real thing, which they say yes.